Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am having a look at day number 3 of the 2024 Diamond Painting Advent Calendar from Diamond Art Club. So today is number 3. This one was an easy one to find because it's pretty big. So we'll try this again. I think my fingers are just too big. Oh, that one did not work well. Yeah, I can't get my fingers in underneath. So this is going to be rather messy, I think. So number 3 is talk about building the suspense. Number 3 is diamond painting card. So it is a Christmas diamond painting card or cards, I'm not sure. I haven't seen anything like this before. So diamond painting card, Christmas, Merry Xmas, 6 by 6 inches, 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Art kit DIY includes everything you need. So I'm going to imagine that I'll have problems because my fingers are just too big to fit in these grooves. So I'm going to take it to the side so I can tip it up and get the box out. Okay. So, oh, very sparkly. So this is what was inside. I'll just put the big box down. So we'll have a closer look at it. So I've read the front, so we'll have a look at the side. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. We have the socials, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and TikTok at Diamond Art Club, www.diamondartclub.com. And on the other side, Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Then on the back, kit contents, card times 1, so it's 1 card, 1 envelope, superior quality diamonds. How it works, 3 steps on how to diamond paint if you have never done it before. Quick, easy and fun, not your ordinary card. I'm sure it won't be. So we'll open it up, see if there's any tape on it. There is. I'll use scissors this time, I think. So open it up, see what's inside. So we have an envelope with the card, then we have the drills, and that is it. So set the box at the side. Doesn't matter where I put it, I'll get reflection, so put it there. So have a look at the drills first. So it just says regular card, and if we open it up we can have a quick look through the colours. So these are round drills, and a lot of colour in this actually. So we have upside down. The numbers aren't in sequence, so I'll just count them so we can find out how many colours we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's going to be very colourful. So I'll just go skim through so you can see the various colours on it. that's it. So that was the drills. Then we've got the envelope, which is card. It's not paper, so a bit of strength to it. Sort of silvery shiny colour, and then we have the actual card. So Merry Christmas. We have the clear film on top to stop anything sticking to the glue. It's partial, so the background is not sticky, but if I tilt this in the light, you can see where the glue is. So it will be on the text as well. So pretty big card, a lot of colour in it, so it is going to be very bright. You have to remember when we look at the print, the drills will be much brighter if we sort of compare the colours. You can see that the drill colours are much brighter than the print. So it's going to be a very bright card, and on the inside we have a little decoration here and completely blank, so you can write your Christmas message. So that's pretty much it, and again we have Merry Christmas, then Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle on the back. The card quality is heavy, it's a thick solid card, so good quality card, good quality envelope, really good quality drills. So yeah, nice unusual Christmas card from Diamond Art Club. So day number 3 of the Advent calendar was a diamond painting Christmas card. I think this would be a good one for kids that are a little bit older, a bit more to it than the Nutcracker. I think smaller kids may lose interest because this will take a little bit longer. So I think slightly older kids who are looking for a little bit of a challenge would enjoy this one. And obviously diamond painters as well, just a quick little project, just something a bit different, Christmas card that you won't find in the stores. So yeah, something a little bit different. I'm still thinking kids. I think Diamond Art Club are doing a really good thing by making projects that kids could get involved in, and hopefully they take up diamond painting as a hobby and it gets them away from their phones and computers and video games and things. It's something where they're actually being creative. I think that is very important. So that's it for today. If you want to find out what is day number 4, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button, and you will get a little message when the next video comes up. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.